They're not living.
Oh, see, there are some on the front of it.
Grabe. Ano yun? 45 minutes. 45 minutes pa naman yung walk natin. So 45 minutes din yung walk nila. That means it's gonna be matagal. Who's jumping out of happiness? Dito pa lang may lookout na. Wow! Ganda! Ganda! Blue nga naman. I think madali yan. Madali lang ang track na to because it's just a walking track, not hiking. Pero para ka nag-hiking sa view.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, that's why this...
May another ano lang.
No, hindi pa yan.
Another spot.
I think we are still going to go much lower.
Lower?
Yeah. Parang pababa tayo ng pababa eh.
There's a bridge.
Let's see.
Oh, there's a bridge, my love.
Wow.
Can you do this?
Yeah.
It's quite high.
No. Even it's high, it's okay.
Maraming ganito sa mga hiking.
Yeah.
Icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find some space. I could be the word to your missing
Arches.
in love. So come give me a call and fall into us. I'm the perfect mixer. Saturday night and the
Oh, hindi na tayo magkakross ng second bridge. Dito lang sa baba. Ay, ang ganda. Ito.
It's so easy falling in love with me.
Shall we go down first?
Yeah, no, let's go there first.
Here?
Yeah, but I think it's not allowed to... How many people?
Ganda. Ang lakas.
Oh, wow. Look here.
Golden rays paint the sky.
Let's go there.
Feel the buzz as the waves roll by. Cicadas sing a summer hymn. Time's melting like ice on skin. Solid tangles in my hair. Feet moving, no room for care. We glow under the sun, chasing the heat. We're never done. Sway to the rhythm, hearts on fire. Summer glow. Our one desire. Our one desire. Our one desire. Our one desire.
Okay, so where are we going now? Uy, where are we going?
Where? Saan ba?
We are going to the Devil's Creek. It's a secret location that nobody else knows. Charot. Joke lang. Sikat yun sa TikTok. Pupuntahan lang natin.
I think this is the one.
Yes, I think so. And now we're here again.
Yung bus?
I don't know. Stop.
Ay, dito pa.
Hindi. Ano ba yan?
Ito yung location. Ayan o. Ayan kung saan lumabas yun.
Ayan na, Wilson's Creek.
Dito, di ba?
Yes. There you go.
So yung daan nito.
Ayan, pupunta doon tayo sa loob.
Ano lang tayo dyan?
Yes.
Let's go.
Ay, magchichinelas lang ako. So that I can dip my feet. My loves, can you hold this for me? This is the start.
Wow.
Very secret ang place. It's not on Google Maps. I mean, you cannot search it on Google Maps. I think there's a way over there. Medyo it's not
Dapat diyan ka po may kapit. Ano? Tingin pa tayo. Tingin po.
Oh, ikaw din.
Hindi ko ba ba?
Hindi ko alam. Merong kuweba.
Dito na lang.
Eh, gusto kong puntahan yung ano eh. Andaan?
Ito yung pababa niyo.
Yun, di ba?
Ano yung bumaba?
Uy, makakay ka mo. Ay, may basa na. Ay, kalamig. Lamig. Di naman kuweba yan eh. Di siya dito. Di ko alam. Malab. Kung saan-saan na pupunta ang mga bata, di namin alam. Ay, Karimla. Yes! Yes! Karimla, Karimla, Karimla. Solid. Solid, di ba? Anyaman. Refreshing. Back out. Ba't ka mag-back out? Okay lang yan. Kaya mo yan. My loves, after Alana. Gusto mo ba to ka? Wala. Sumuko siya. Sumuko ang bata. Hindi kinaya. My loves, Kerry. Masakit, Loren. You can do it. Sobrang lamig kasi ng tubig. Ano ginagawa mo dyan? He's a funny man. My loves, tandaan mo ikaw na yung nasa emergency contact list ko. Update. Mali pala kami, hindi pala doon. Dito pala. You have to cross the road. This is the Wilson Creek Bridge. And then, it's over there. So, lumagpas kasi tayo kanina. And we're walking here. It's a highway. Which is very dangerous. Uy! Uy! Pwede warikan. Pinay ta. Dito na pala yun. Ito na. Fantastic day. Karimla?
Stick mo yun?
Ha?
Ha?
Lamig? Wow. Ayaw mo na? Ha?
Okay na dito?
Ayaw mo na? Ay, detaran tao? Tula ka rin? Wow, ito kasi yon. You have to dip in the water talaga.
Kailan ko hindi dito dyan? Doon, no?
Pero wala namang ano.
Hindi, pa.
Maybe.
Ha?
Baka.
Ito pa ganito. Baba.
Pwede na yun eh.
Ha?
Pwede na yun ni Kenny.
Wala na nito.
Hindi rin, ganon din.
Masakit, magnamla.
Yako din. Datiisan ko mo.
Muna ka, muna.
Hold it.
G.
It's freaking cold. Milako din, milako din. Natanggal din.
Dapat natin kain, nagdalatang mga parang dyan.
Saya? Galing, ganda. Wow! Wow!
Ito na yun eh.
Ito na nga yun. Wow! Ganda! Picturean mo ko.
Sige. Cellphone mo.
Okay. Wait lang. Ano lang. Wait. Masyado lang maano yung tubig ngayon. Pero sobrang linaw. Naman lang.
Sobrang lamig naman.
Ayun yung falls! Ayun yung falls! Wow!
Ito na yun, G.
Ito na nga. Hi, my love! Wow! Amazing! Amazing! My loves, how's the experience? Can I have
Lalayo
some?
mo na ako.
Ha?
Layo mo.
Open mo.
Tara.
Let's go to our next destination. Fantail Falls.
Hindi na pala.
2 minutes away lang ang susunod nating pupuntahan.
Yeah, I know.
Let's check our itinerary. Ganda ng itinerary namin. Look. Chado. Fantailed and then Condor Creek Falls. Here we are. Sobrang lapit lang pala to. Like,
Ikaw nga tabi-tabi. Ito lang?
it's only 2 minutes here.
Go.
Over here, going here, Fantail Falls. But let's check this out first. Because I think there's a nice view over here. Ganda. Yay. Ito na naman, malamig na naman ng tubig. Ay, very fun. Picnic sila. Okay. Ayun, ito yung linakaran natin kanina. Kung dumiretso pala tayo, ito na yun. Nice. Ganda. Ayun ang backpack nila. Ito, kaya mo to? Fun. Okay, let's go to the Fantail Falls. Are you happy?
Yes. Happy and tired.
Ganda oh.
Nasa movie lang.
This is where you're walking. there. Oh my God, ang ganda niya.
But we have to walk on this water.
This water is so easy compared to the Wilson Creek Chasm. Let's go. Oo, malamig talaga lahat. Yay! Kaya na? Sobrang lamig ng tubig. Woo! But look at this view. Oh my God. Look at the view. Ay, kasantig na. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ko. Wow. I think low tide lang. Kaya kitang pwede natin puntahan.
Wala lang.
Pupunta pa tayo doon?
Hindi na. Dito na lang. Picture na kita dito. Buha.
Gusto ko mag-swimming. Okay, back in the car. Next stop is Thunder Creek Falls. How many minutes?
8 minutes.
8 minutes drive. Let's go. It didn't take that long. We're here. Let me just check our itinerary. Thunder Creek Falls is just 5 minutes walk. Oh. You won't even sweat. Let's go. Puro falls yung makikita mo.
Tapos may sound.
May sound yung ano, yung falls. We're just snacking. Wow.
Picture mo ako dito. Kaso mo din na.
Panting. Panting naman.
So yung daan doon.
Sarap.
Walang boat for rent. Walang nagtitinda ng ice cream. Walang cottage.
Walang cottage. May kasanting na rin kaya. Batuda. Ay, karimla. Karimla na. Eh, bigla ako.
Ito yung halon eh. Tara, mag-rent tayong banana boat.
Ganda oh, Karen no? Let's check